Hello and welcome to video number 6. This is a 30 video part series and it's all about how to build your online marketing business system. So predominantly this video series is for PTs, offline gym owners and either offline or online coaches. My name is Jen. If you don't know anything about me, then hi, welcome to this video. Basically, I'm here to let you know about the overall strategy that you need to put in place when it comes to your marketing practices with your business. Not so much, an insight into a technique or two, but if you were to understand the overall strategy when it comes to marketing your business, then you're going to be in a very, very good position moving forward with whichever campaign you wish to launch in the future. But this 30-part video series is really to give you an insight, a step-by-step process on how you can actually build your robust, sustainable marketing online machine. So yeah, I'm going to be coming up with another slide after this quick intro. So if you are interested, then stick around and more to follow after this. Hello and welcome back, driven business owners. This channel is all about learning how to generate high quality leads and clients into your business empire without all the tech overwhelm. But in this video series, this part in particular, in the next sort of 5 to 6 videos or so, it will get techie, but not as techie as what you might imagine. And I'm here to hold your hand and take you through the process. But before we get started, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button and also leave a comment, whatever that might be, below on your progress in this challenge or whatever else you might have. You can also get entered, if you do this, into my weekly competition where I actually offer a business bundle to 3 subscribers every week. It includes a lead gen fix service, a business survival kit, a done for you funnel, and also 2 trainings as well to get you on your way, depending on where you are in your business journey. So yeah, be great to connect. So looking at the screen right now, and I'm just going to take on board and expect you've already gone through the previous 5 videos where we go through things like your offer and your daily targets, really go into detail about who your client is in order to set up the campaign. This is like the behind the scenes stuff. This is either what I can build out for you should you want to do a 2-week free trial with me, more to follow on that towards the end of the video if you're interested. If not, you can take everything in this video and all the other videos and build it all yourself. So it just depends again where you are in your business journey. Do you have the spare time to learn how to do all this stuff, or would you like to pass it over to someone else? Because there's myself and other coaches that can help you, so no problem. Don't ever feel you're stuck. And if you look at this page, as mentioned, you've got 4 stages to the campaign, to the system that we're building. The screenshot was actually taken from one of the programs I've just finished, actually. I've invested myself into many awesome online programs to help myself learn and understand the mechanics of this business system that you need, because I was just like where you are. I've been an offline gym owner now, or I was up until a few years ago, but since 2012 I've set up and run 4 indoor cycling studios, 2 in Shanghai, China, and 2 in Leeds here in the UK. And I did things in a very traditional way, and you might have some amazing results like what I did as well, through word of mouth marketing or flyering or joint venture, that sort of thing. And I'm not discounting those strategies, but again, it only gets you so far. Personally, my own experience, it was very exhausting. I got burnt out. You're always chasing your tail. You don't know where your next client is coming from. It's not very measurable. So hence why I'm giving you insight into a possible system that you can implement into your business to get a stream of quality leads, not just leads into your business, but quality, high quality leads who qualify themselves through your process so you can serve them with the services that you want to offer. So if we ping to the first phone example here, this image, again, I'm going to give credit to Chris Brown. I've just recently finished his course and he explains further about this system as well. I've taken on board what he's relayed on to me, and also from the other mentors I've used, and this is what I use now for my clients. And again, if you've been following the other videos, I have been using a client called John. He's the example I'm using throughout this 30 video series. So yeah, so the first page, if you go to the first image here, this is what your potential prospect will see on Facebook. So you're going to recognise that type of image. You can see the adverts there. You've got a picture of someone's gym, and this is what we would actually create. This is the front end part of the system, what the prospect would see whilst they're scrolling online. So that's the first bit, the advert on Facebook. The second part of the system, you can see here, it says a 28-day challenge. This is seen as the bridge page. Basically, it's a page that sits between the advert and the application page, which is the third image that you see here. It's a very sort of high level overview of what the prospect will see after looking at your advert on Facebook. So this is great to optimize and concentrate on getting this page right, because it's where the better click-throughs will happen onto the application page. And a lot of people do ask, well, Jen, why not have an email at this part of the business process, the business system? Well, I understand that most people would expect to request an email at this part, but you're going to get a lot of people from the Facebook, you know, maybe semi-interested or curious, or you might even get people putting in a fake email, and that's not going to do you any favours. It's always about trying to collect qualified, quality leads into your business. And it also means if you were to get a qualified and quality lead into your business, you've got less work at the front end as well, the front end of your business system here. So in fact, we ask for their email address in the application form, which I'll talk about now. So this is a third part of the process, the application. It's a series of questions. It takes 1 to 2 minutes long. It's going to determine their interest, determine their enthusiasm and their readiness to go along with you in your program that you're offering. And it's good. I actually use Typeform. I've used Typeform many times before, and Typeform is a very easy, streamlined experience for your potential prospect. It's very clean as well in its interface, and Typeform does have many other functions as well that we can get into in a future video in this video series. But this is the application page, and the fourth and final stage of the business system is the aftercare page. Now, this is optional, but you do tend to find that if you were to have an aftercare page, it actually increases the conversions. It basically reinforces the prospect of the decision that they've made. So you're basically, they can acknowledge their decision they've made with you. It deepens their desire that they've made the right decision by opting into your service. And it reaffirms that they are making the right decision with you offering your success stories and proof, social proof that you have that you can place on this page. And it's just a nice finishing touch as well. And you could put future pacing type elements in there. So it really gives them also the confidence that they've basically invested their time, effort, and potentially money in with you to get the result that you're offering. And it's just a great way as well of them understanding what the next step is in the process. So these are all interconnected, they all link well together. It's really a streamlined process, and yeah, that's just the overview. More to follow in the next video, but again, you can run away with all this information in any of these videos of the 30 video series and implement into your business. Or if you do want help, then what I actually offer myself is a 2-week free trial. I ask you to invest the £200 Facebook marketing spends, but I would actually build all this for you. And if in the end, and basically my aim is to get the results that you really are looking for in 2 weeks. And if at the end of the 2 weeks I don't get results for you for whatever reason, we don't have an onward conversation. However, my main aim is to get you results. You want the results as well, so it's in our best interest on both sides to get that winning formula. So that's how I work. I definitely love getting results for my clients, and in fact, my passion to offer a service like this to personal trainers and offline gym owners and also coaches is because I've been there before. It was my 4th indoor cycling studio, and I was paying a marketer £500 a month, and unfortunately he simply didn't give us the results, and we had to make some hard decisions and close down that gym. I mean, he was the last sort of factor in our decision, but he promised the earth and he didn't deliver, and we were very deflated. And I don't want to be that consultant. I want to be the one that gets you results, because I've got a passion, I've got an invested interest to help as many business owners as I can not go through what I've been through, because it is just a painful experience when you don't get enough leads, quality leads and clients into your business. So yeah, great. Thanks for listening. Again, feel free, if you want to, like this video, subscribe if you want to enter that contest, and also leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on anything in this video or other videos. Let me know where you are in your business journey. I do also release other videos around business, marketing, meditation, mindset, trainings as well. So feel free to look at the playlists that I have. If you want to, I tend to focus more so on Facebook than what I do on YouTube. I actually have a quality client generation Facebook where I can answer your questions there. The link's below. And also there's another link which links up to all my online courses. I have 3 now. I've got loads of free trainings as well. And feel free to check out my website, jenlillian.com. I always say that your business is an extension of you. So if your business is doing well, you're doing well from within. But if your business isn't doing well, it seems like you might need some mindset training. You need to work on your inner game. Things will work out eventually. You just need to maybe look upon a few parts of your business. Maybe you've got this system in place, or maybe something else isn't clicking, or maybe just some fear around ideas and attachments around money. But yeah, I'm here to help, guys. We're all obviously here to make a dent in this world, so let's do it together. Okay, see you in the next video. Cheers.